tell me when to stop. I'm gonna rifle through the deck, and you just tell me when to stop, so we get a random card for you. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, you just, right there?
Yep.
Right at this spot. Okay. That should be your card. Okay, take that. Alright, I'm going to give you a couple more cards here. Just on top of the deck. And now you just show your the card that the fates picked for you. Point to your card so the camera can see. We have a witness here. Okay, you know, okay, so now you just shuffle that up. Arrange your card whichever way you want to. Now, Jude, if you could come on over to our station here and arrange these cards face up, about 2 inches apart. Spread them out.
Face up.
Face up. Face up. Yours can be wherever you want it. Okay. Okay, again, energy transmission. Sucker will do his job. Is this 3 your card? Is it? Because you seem kind of more like a king, you know. But it keeps on reading on the 3. And you also, see, I know it's the 3 diamonds seems to be your card. He's confirming it. The Oracle has spoken. The Phoenix has risen.